What if I told you that mushrooms could save the planet? Here are the facts. Mushrooms are excellent carbon sinks, meaning they can absorb and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This makes them valuable tools in the fight against climate change. Some species of mushrooms are also known to break down and decompose complex organic compounds like lignin, which is found in plant cell walls and is notoriously difficult to break down. By doing so, mushrooms help reduce the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere. Many types of mushrooms are capable of breaking down or absorbing a wide variety of pollutants, including heavy metals, pesticides, and even oil spills. This is because mushrooms have enzymes and other compounds that can break down these substances into harmless byproducts or absorb them into their bodies. For example, oyster mushrooms have been used to clean up contaminated soil at industrial sites. That's amazing! Another reason mushroom can save the planet is that mushrooms are valuable in sustainable agriculture because they can be grown using waste materials like straw, sawdust, and coffee grounds, which would otherwise be discarded as waste. This makes them a low-cost and sustainable source of food and other products. Additionally, some species of mushrooms are beneficial to crops and can help control pests and diseases, making them valuable allies for farmers. That's definitely good to know. Finally, the best part, mushrooms are a nutritious and delicious food source that can be grown sustainably without the need for large amounts of water, land, or energy. They are low in calories, high in protein, and rich in vitamins and minerals. Additionally, some species of mushrooms contain compounds that have been shown to have medicinal properties and may help prevent or treat a variety of diseases. What do you say to that? Overall, the idea that mushrooms could save the planet is based on their remarkable ability to address a wide range of environmental challenges, from climate change to pollution to sustainable agriculture and food security. While they may not be able to solve all of these problems on their own, they are a valuable and versatile tool in the fight for a more sustainable and healthy planet. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Please also leave your comments and we love to hear from you.